Okay, hey guys, how are you today? How is everybody doing? I will talk about new potential setups and trades on US dollar, on Japanese yen. I will talk about US equities, cryptocurrencies, commodities. So also if you have questions, you can send I'm waiting actually for your messages in that YouTube chat. So don't forget about the risk disclaimer. Please read it and learn to trade Forex signals, guys. If you are not a VIP member, or if you want to join the other VIP groups, swing trading group, crypto group, or Forex group, yeah. Hakan, hello, hi, how are you? Nasdaq is going down. I don't know. Let's take a look on all markets. So first of all, personally, yeah, I'm still keeping my my short in New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. This was my my setup today. Right now, my stop loss is already at break even, so everything is profit now. Let's wait, because personally I've decided to manage it after this sell-off, only because I did not wanted maybe the price to come back higher to retest these levels, because if this scenario will take shape, then I will look for new shorts. Right now I will let it ride. My stop loss is at break even. It is in profit. Let's take a look. In profit around 20 pips or something, 19 pips. So yeah, it remains to see how it will react. Maybe here, yeah, maybe around this key level 84.49. so this was only for the VIPs. This was my setup, but right now it's too late to go short, only because yeah, my stop loss is already at break even, guys. Okay, so this was my Hakan, good from Istanbul. Yeah, so you are from Turkey, great. So how S&P and PMI news affect the market? So let's take a look. Yeah, let's take a look on the economic calendar. ISM services PMI. Yeah, this is in as a high impact event, and as you already know from my videos and from my webinars, this is what happened. A strong growth from 49.6 to 55.2. Okay, far above 50.5. It has signaled the expansion here on in this sector, in the services sector. Right now, yeah, the economic indicator is expected to drop a little from 55.2 to 54.5, but yeah, it could still remain in the, yeah, maybe it could signal a potential slowdown, expansion, slowdown in expansion, but yeah, it remains to see actually. But worse than expected data, guys, worse than expected data could force the US dollar to depreciate a little in the short term, or better than expected could force the US dollar to appreciate in the short term. Could have an impact in the short term, could bring sharp movements, and in both directions could bring yeah, high volatility. So that's why you'll have to be careful in the short term. Okay. This is my opinion. Okay, this is not a recommendation or something, but this is my opinion, because anything could happen. Probably will have sharp movements, and yeah, about US equities. Thanks. So yeah, it will have an impact. Okay, it will have an impact also on US 100, on US 30, US 500, but let's take a look on the dollar index first of all, right? So yesterday I've talked about maybe this supply here. Yeah, it has jumped close above the supply, but it has failed to stay above 105.09. It has failed to stay above the broken uptrend line, signaling maybe an exhaustion overbought here. And I've talked about potential new sell-off here on the dollar index, which could force the US dollar to depreciate. And let's take a look. US dollar, Singapore dollar. I've had, yeah, this was my setup yesterday, and unfortunately I've moved my my stop loss at break even maybe too soon here. Unfortunately, yeah, I wasn't able to monitor or to keep an eye on my trades during the Asian session. Yeah, I'm out during the Asian session, so that's why personally I've wanted maybe to manage it, to secure the trade. But yeah, it would have been really good. US dollar, Canadian dollar yesterday. These were yesterday's setups. Also, personally I've had yeah, a strong rally here. Personally I've had no, I don't have it anymore. Personally, I've had a sell stop here, pending order from here, and it would have been good as well with the stop loss here. So yeah, right now I'm looking for something else. I'm looking for something else here on the US dollar. No, sorry about that. One moment, guys. So if you have questions, guys, one moment, because I've added by mistake. I've added no. Okay. So if you have questions, guys, if you have questions. What? US 100 triggered and a hit stop loss. I don't know about that. That's not my trade. Personally, I don't have a trade in US 100. You'll have to wait for that trader to come back to you guys with an update. One moment. Yeah, so let's go back. Let's go back on the dollar index. Yeah, so about the dollar index, yeah, as I've said, but it seems that I have to one moment. It seems that the pressure is still high, okay, in the short term. That's why personally maybe I'm still looking for potential US dollar shorts, okay, US dollar shorts, because if it makes a new lower low here, if it takes out this maybe this historical level 104.66 after its failure to retest the upper medium line, a new lower low could activate a potential deeper drop, okay, so maybe something like this. I don't know, guys. Maybe the price. Don't forget this CG investment and also AB, OB. Don't forget that. Let's take a look. Don't forget that the price could be different. Okay, the price could be different when trading maybe CFDs, or maybe when trading I don't know, US 100, US 500, US 30. Maybe the price could be different in your at your brokerage company, in your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 or something, okay, compared to TradingView, compared to, I don't know, our real account 8cap or something. Yeah, so yeah, but please wait for updates. This is not my trade, so I will not talk about that trade here. I will talk only about my work, about my setups. But as I've said about DXY, taking out the support levels and the new lower low could activate a potential deeper drop, and that's why maybe personally I want to I'll try to catch a potential US dollar short. Okay, US dollar short. Yeah, right now this is my only trade right now here in my real account. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen for the VIPs in profit, as I've said. Yeah. So yeah, I will talk about my trades. Yeah, Euro USD. I talked about Euro USD earlier. Yeah, I was looking at this potential setup. Maybe I will delete it. Potential. One moment, because I have to confluence, show swing as well. Now here only maybe 2. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's take a look about Euro USD. Yeah, I've talked about this market in my video earlier today, and I've said that maybe we'll have a potential long opportunities, but right now it challenges this this immediate supply zone. That's why maybe it's risky to place a buy stop there. Maybe it could only register a false breakout. After maybe a breakout, I would like a retreat and then a potential new rally here on what time do you plan to post tomorrow? What time do you plan to post tomorrow for the VIP? Because today I missed the trade. Tomorrow it's Saturday. I'm not working on Saturday. I will not send anything tomorrow. And please understand that I don't know, maybe on Monday, but when I will have something like a high probability trade, I don't know. Only when I'll have something like a high probability trade. I don't have a. It's not like I will send all my trades at the UK Open or at the US Open or Asian Open or something like this. Now, you need to understand that personally I will share my setups and trades only when I'll have a high probability trade. Okay. So yeah, unfortunately, this is the thing. If I don't have something, yeah, I cannot send a trade, or I will send only when I'll have something like a high probability trade, and I don't know exactly the time when I'll have something, right? So Euro USD, I will still keep an eye, but yeah, right now 1 hour and in 1 hour and 15 minutes we'll have the ISM services PMI. And can I hold US 100? I don't know, it's not my trade, so please wait for updates. Okay, so right now personally I'm holding my New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Please take a look here. It's really good. It looks really good. It's in profit, and yeah, maybe I will try to manage it soon as well. I don't know, maybe the US data could bring up also sharp movements also here on New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. And also please take a look, maybe around the former highs, but I will come back with an update into the VIP group. If you followed my trade, if you want to follow my trade management, yeah, I will come back with my management as always, guys, in the VIP group. Okay, in the VIP group. Okay, so if you have questions about other markets, but also if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you're looking at, and also your levels, if you are a buyer, a seller, if you are a bull, a bear. So massive sell-off here on yen basket. Okay, massive drop, and it has reached this imbalance right here, and then boom, a rebound. okay, a strong imbalance here, retreat, retest, and right now it has that's why, guys, after the sideways movement, personally I wanted to catch this potential rally, rebound, growth here on yen basket with a new Japanese yen long, and right now my New Zealand dollar Japanese yen runs in profit. Yeah, Japanese yen long. Okay, my position is safe. It was secured after moving my stop loss at break even. Right now I'm letting it ride. Right now it has moved it sideways in the short term. Maybe it has developed a new supply here after the sideways movement. Only false breakout above the immediate high. A new supply, as long as it stays below it, as long as it stays 84.73, it could maybe approach and reach at least these levels here on New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Okay, so this was my trade for today. This was my setup, and the person I'm still looking for something else. Yeah, I've talked about Euro USD. Yeah, right now challenge is 1.0629. Maybe on lower time frames, maybe we've missed something. Maybe this rally here. One moment. Historical, nope, only present. Okay, right. Nasdaq had triggered and hit stop loss already. I don't know about that trade. Please wait for updates. Okay, I've told you. Maybe the price is different compared to TradingView or compared to 8cap at your brokerage company. I don't know. Okay, that's why it's important, guys. Personally, when I send a trade and the setup, I send also the thought process, the rationale. It's important to understand the price action, and yeah, bro, we all not do all trades because we can not always can do it in the same time signal sent. I understand, so we hope can use copy trading in FX. It's part of trading, we can recover in the future. Yeah, and about copy trading, yeah, I really hope that maybe we'll have also something like this in the upcoming period also here, because yeah, it seems that it's important for you guys maybe to be able to copy the trades, to be able to follow the trades automatically, but yeah, right now, as I've said, and I understand, guys, personally, yeah, I'm not working during the Asian session. Yeah, I'm already in bed during that time. Personally, I'm doing the UK session, the US session. I'm here, and when I'll have something, I will share my trades. Sinan, US 100 steps hit stop loss. Yeah, guys, Sinan, as I've said, please wait for updates. That was not my trade. Okay, my only trade for today was New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, which is in profit right now. And please, guys, what do you do account management services? Right now, Godspeed Freeman, no, I'm not doing something like this here at Learn to Trade. This is not my company, Godspeed Freeman. I'm here only as a trader. I'm here as a market analyst, and yeah. One moment. Yeah, it seems that you already got that update into the VIP group. Yeah, it seems that that trade in US 100 reached the stop loss. You can do investor account in demo account, and we can use copier to trade. Will you adopt me? No. No, I cannot adopt you. Okay, so let's continue because Bitcoin, and then I will talk about other markets, also about USD. So yesterday I've talked about something like this here. If you remember, also I believe that you are older than me, Godspeed Freeman, and maybe, yeah, yeah. So Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin. I talked about this flag about this up channel yesterday. I've said that potential breakdown here may signal potential deeper drop, at least towards the sliding line, towards the medium line. You can watch yesterday's webinar again if you want in our YouTube channel. We have a playlist. Live webinars, and I've talked about the scenario yesterday in Bitcoin. Massive sell-off. Yeah, maybe personally I would have liked here to see something like this before extending its sell-off. But yeah, it seems that Bitcoin is under pressure, under strong pressure. Right now it has reached my support levels, downside obstacles. Please take a look here. That's why I really love to use Pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, sell-off, test, retest, upper medium line as dynamic resistance, and right now, and as long as the price stays below the upper medium line, it could still be attracted by the medium line. Right now it has reached the medium line, and I don't know, right now maybe we could have potential rebounds after this massive sell-off, but a valid breakdown and a new lower low, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below the medium line could also open the door for more declines, okay, here in Bitcoin. Ethereum, let's take a look, and then I will look for potential trades. Yeah, about Ethereum as well. Ethereum uptrend line here, right? It has reached the supply zone, resistance zone. Also here it has developed a flag pattern as a bearish pattern, aggressive breakdown. Right now it tries to retest the broken uptrend line here, and in my opinion, if it stays below it, if it stays below 1595, to retest them, a new lower low could activate a potential deeper drop. Okay, so yeah, this is my opinion about Ethereum, about Bitcoin. If you have more questions about cryptocurrencies or something, please, I'm waiting for messages. So and about when the price of Bitcoin, guys, drops, the altcoins could drop as well. So personally, I'm using this correlation. I'm using this. Yeah, DXY sell off after developing this. After developing this bearish pattern breakdown, and let's take a look. I believe that the price of gold and silver rallied in the short term. Let's take a look. Yeah, about internal. One moment. Okay. Okay, so looks like we are in upper channel on Bitcoin. Upper channel. Let's take a look. On what time frame? I really hate these kind of questions. Because what time frame? What time frame? Up channel on what time frame? Here, or I don't know, daily? Yeah, what upper channel? Okay, because also here on Bitcoin, maybe if I will connect something like this, these former maybe lows with this and this level here, I don't see an upper channel or something. I don't see a channel here. Okay. 4 hour. Okay, let's take a look. 4 hour. An up channel. I don't know. Maybe, yeah, we had an up channel, maybe. And right now, breakdown. Aggressive breakdown. Okay. And right now, maybe this okay, maybe this could represent, let's take a look here, maybe this could represent a channel here, something like this. I don't know, right? Potential new down channel as a potential bullish pattern, but right now it's premature. We could have maybe potential rebounds in the short term. So yeah, we could have a channel here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So this is my opinion about Bitcoin, right? Yeah, we could have something like a channel here, but yeah, right now it has reached the downside line, my medium line, support, also potential a potential demand zone here, strong imbalance after this sideways movement here. So yeah, we cannot exclude a rebound after this massive sell-off. Yeah, so let's go back. DXY, about the dollar index. About the dollar index, a potential deeper drop here, could force gold and silver to continue the upwards movement. And also, you already know that when the dollar index is bearish, personally, I don't want to be maybe short on gold and silver. I don't want to, when the dollar index is bearish, this means that the US dollar is bearish, and this means that I don't want to be also short on US equities. Okay, so let's take a look. Also silver. Bro, what do you think for gold, up or down? Silver. Yeah, I've talked about this pattern yesterday during my webinar. It has escaped from this pattern. Retest. Yeah. And right now it stands below resistance here. Maybe temporary retreats could bring us new potential longs. Maybe here also in silver. But right now, I don't know if I'll have something like a high probability trade. High probability trade. Yeah, like my New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Okay, this is my short. My position is already safe. Because I've moved my stop loss at break even, only a temporary sideways movement, sell off. So it looks really good here. And this was only for the VIPs, guys. If you are not a VIP member, if you want to join the VIP group or the VIP groups, you can access the link posted right below this video. And don't forget that you can still use that code coupon YouTube at the checkout to get a 10% discount. So silver, maybe I would like the price of silver to come back to retest here and to register only false breakdowns, and then boom. Okay, on silver. And about gold, because you asked me about gold. Same here. Yesterday I talked about this support 1830, test retest, false breakdowns, and I've told you guys that if the price stays above this level, a sideways movement could invalidate. We had a strong supply here, but the price jumped and closed it above it, ignored the former highs here. It has closed it above the former high. So I've talked about this scenario also yesterday in gold. Okay, you can can watch yesterday's webinar again in our YouTube channel. You can watch that video. So right now, maybe after this strong rally, I would like to see a consolidation accumulation, or I would like to see a retreat, and then maybe it could extend its growth. I don't want to buy it here at market because, yeah, where should I put my stop loss? Okay, only here, maybe below the former lows. Okay, and I don't think this will be a high probability trade, or this I will not have a very good risk to reward ratio, okay, on this trade, right? So that's why, and this is the reason why I'll wait for a retreat, because if the price drops, okay, maybe I will be able to go long here and to place maybe a stop loss here, and then I will have a really good risk to reward ratio on this potential trade. Right now, I will use an ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. I like this or like this. One moment. Or like this. One moment. Yeah, only false breakdown, retest, breakout. Yeah, maybe I will have something here if the price stabilizes above the medium line. Okay, above the medium line. Maybe I will have a potential opportunity here also on gold, but right now I'll wait because failing to stay above the medium line, because here if I will draw on an inside sliding line, something like this, it has reached resistance, okay, an inside the sliding line. So that's why I need a retreat before or an accumulation consolidation here to signal that the price attracted more buyers, accumulated more bullish energy before jumping higher. So this is let's invite more members. Let's invite more members. And yeah, I will try to manage maybe New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen today to take some profit on that market. Yeah. To take profit on that market. Because you can see here that yen basket reached a new supply zone. It remains to see how it will react in this zone, in this area. Also, after maybe this strong rally, it could retreat a little or something. But yeah, I will come back with an update. With an update, guys. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Let's see. Yeah, it has reached this level. We had probably an imbalance also here. It remains to see how it will react around 84.57. Yeah, we cannot exclude a temporary rebound. It could come back to retest here, or taking out this support could signal potential drop towards that zone, that area. On New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. Yeah, it seems that we have some action here on short term. On this market, but it's still bearish maybe for now, but also maybe stochastic, or if we'll use Williams. Yeah, it had signaled a strong oversold, maybe see here as well, a rebound. We had a rebound, and then sell off right now around this level. It seems oversold again, but yeah, let's wait to see how it will react here. Yeah, it seems that the dollar index tries maybe to test retest the broken levels maybe before extending its sell-off, and I said a deeper drop, guys, a deeper drop here could force a deeper drop, could force the US dollar to depreciate versus rivals, could force gold and silver to jump higher, could force the US equities to grow. So US 100. US 100, you can see that the dollar index drops and the US equities rallied in the short term. So I'm using this correlation. Right now US 100 reached the potential supply. Maybe I will look for potential for something here, but only if the US 100 stays below 12,146. It remains to see. I'll wait to see how it will react in this supply zone. It's premature. Personally, I don't like to trade or to place sell limit, buy limit, limit orders, only because I need confirmation. Okay, I really need confirmation. US 30 as well, it has rallied as the DXY crashed, dropped. Yeah. This is my opinion. US 30, US 500. I don't think I have something really good right now, but yeah, you can see that this correlation works, guys. Okay, DXY sell-off and the US equities rallied. Okay, this correlation works, really works. Yeah, so personally, I've closed my New Zealand dollar Japanese yen here for some profit. I will update the group only because New Zealand dollar Japanese yen could rebound. I will update the group and I will look for something else. I will come back, don't worry, I will come back with something else, a new high probability trade. So 84, $59. Yeah, 24 pips profit. And I will look for something else because I don't want to keep it. I don't want to keep it during weekend. Yeah, it was good for an intraday trade or something, and right now I'm looking for something else, guys. Okay. Okay, perfect. I think Monday break the resistance. High. What's your prediction for USD for news? So, my prediction. I don't know. I've talked about personally. Did you watch it, Mohammed? Did you watch it? My the daily video analysis. I've sent the video in the VIP group earlier before going live. Did you watch the video? I talked about Euro USD. I talked about this retreat. I talked about the potential rally here. Yeah, please watch that video again. I've talked about my scenario in the short term in Euro USD, but right now it seems that we'll have a potential range. And yeah, I will share my opinion about this range here if you want. So as I've said, I've talked about Euro USD earlier today. Maybe we've missed something after testing retesting here, but I didn't had a a really good really good setup. So right now it has reached resistance 1.0629. okay, we have a range between 1.0629 1.0602. It moves sideways. So in my opinion, okay, better than expected US data, okay, could force Euro USD maybe to come back down, or a poor US economic data could force Euro USD to rebound, right? And probably maybe it could come back to retest 1.0614, maybe, I don't know. But a valid breakout here could also signal potential for the growth breaking, because basically look here, rally, drop, test, retest, here, rally. Right now, if it stays near 1.0629, then it could signal an imminent breakout and potential growth. And also potential growth could take shape here if the US will report poor data maybe later. Okay, so yeah, maybe I'm still looking for potential, but also DXY, guys, DXY drop it. DXY drop it, and right now it tries to retest the broken levels. A deeper drop here should force Euro USD to jump higher. Okay, only a potential rebound here could force the Euro USD to drop again, right? I'm using this correlation. We have actually we have a really strong correlation between the dollar index and the Euro USD. Okay, this is my opinion. Okay, US oil. Whoa. Strong sell-off. Strong sell-off here on US oil. Yeah, it has reached, maybe we've missed this here, after reaching supply. After reaching supply, here, yeah, maybe a sell stop here, it would have been good. After moving sideways, a strong imbalance, but let's wait. Maybe the price could come back to retest it before developing a new sell-off or something. Right now it's too late maybe to go short. It has reached the demand zones here, demand zone. And yeah, potential only false breakdown, great separation below the former lows. But pin bar test, retest could also bring us something like a potential long. To catch a potential long, we can catch maybe something towards this imbalance here again. But right now I'll wait to see how it will react, because yeah, we had this massive drop here on US oil, on crude oil. Yeah, I'll look for something else. British pound, US dollar. So I've talked about cryptocurrencies, about commodities. I've talked, yeah, GBPUSD. Maybe it could still try to approach and reach this zone, this area. If you have questions, guys. Japanese yen. Personally, I want to catch a potential USD short. USD CAD again. Let's take a look. USD CAD again. Yeah. USD CAD. Maybe I will have a new setup, a new selling position on USD CAD. Yesterday I've had a pending order here. Right now it has reached the supply, but I need confirmation. Okay, personally I don't want to place trades only because the price reached the supply or a resistance, because the price, guys, please understand this, even if we have a major resistance, a major supply, a major demand, major support, the price could invalidate that supply, that demand, could take out a resistance, could take out a support. Okay, please keep in mind that the conditions, the market conditions could be different. Okay, guys, because yeah, this is trading, guys. Maybe something happened in the past, but maybe the conditions right now are hey lad, do you trade natural gas? No, Sinan. But if you want, are you a VIP member? Because I will take a look on natural gas for you, but you will have to like my video as well. Okay, so if I will see when yes, I do. Okay, I will take a look on natural gas, but please tell me what you are looking at. Are you long? Are you short? You want to buy? You want to sell? What are your levels? Also your time frame. At least your time frame, because yeah, at least your time frame. So I will keep an eye on USD CAD. Maybe this will be my trade. USD Singapore dollar. No. Also here, if the US dollar Singapore dollar will come back to retest these, maybe I will have a potential short opportunity again. Yeah, personally, I want to catch something on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. US dollars. Sorry, on I really want to catch maybe a potential US dollar short. So natural gas. CFD. So let's take a look. At least your time frame. I was thinking short on 15 minutes chart. Okay, let's take a look. 15 minutes chart short. Why? Because it has reached here. This zone, this area. But please take a look here. It seems that it has closed at maybe this gap. So, but yeah, I really need to understand. Yeah, 13. Yeah. This supply and this maybe resistance zone, resistance area. But right now, exactly. Okay, Sinan. Yeah, I'm glad that we're talking the same language. Yeah, it seems that you identified this supply zone, a resistance, okay, and also the price. But I thought that we'll have something here like a rising wedge. No, but right now, personally, I want to see something here. Okay, using this this indicator. Yeah, we have only on 30 minutes a supply zone. We don't have a supply here. We don't have a supply here. So that's why, guys, personally, I'm not trading only based on that indicator. I'm not trading only using one concept or one strategy. Personally, I'm using more than one tool or technique or indicator or approach. Yeah, but yeah, if it stays, maybe personally I would like to see here. Yeah, we had a first reaction. Okay, first reaction, false, breakout above 2.85. Right now it continues to stay near that resistance, immediate resistance, signaling maybe upside pressure. And unfortunately, yeah, change of, yeah, maybe we have something like a pattern, like a channel. A range pattern here in the short term. And Yeah, we are in a supply zone. Okay, supply zone, but you already know that I really want to see confirmations all the time. Maybe we had a rising wedge pattern here as a bearish pattern, but breakdown, test, retest, and yeah, right now if it registers only false breakouts, it could come back down, and yeah, it could. Sinan, yeah, about natural gas, but I will not tell you what to do because personally I don't have a setup. I don't like to trade maybe something like this. Whoa, sorry. Maybe I would I want to see something else here because it has failed to make a new lower low, a strong rally. Yeah, it could drop, but I don't know, it could come back only to test, retest here. And this rising wedge, in my opinion, this pattern could be activated maybe here. Okay, if it makes a new lower low to drop close and stabilize below 2.75, then it could activate a potential downside movement. Yeah. About natural gas, this is my opinion. Yeah, it has Sinan, that's great to hear your opinion. Thanks, I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you, Sinan. This is my opinion. Yeah, we are in a resistance zone, a supply zone. It has developed this rising wedge pattern. Yeah, and also here this former high. Yeah, it could turn to the downside in the short term, maybe, and in my opinion it could turn to the downside, and maybe it could activate a potential larger drop after making a new lower low here. It could after taking out this demand zone. This is the thing, guys, okay, because this indicator shows us potential demand here, but if the price will drop and close here, maybe it will take out also this demand zone. It could invalidate this demand zone, and it could drop, okay, after registering false breakout here, a new pin bar retest here. Okay, but maybe we'll have some, yeah. I really don't like to trade to place an order to go short at market or something. Yeah, potential flag also here as potential downside pattern. Maybe, as I've said, drop, test, retest, maybe could bring us something here on natural gas. Okay, thank you, Sinan. Thank you. Okay, I don't want to sell it at market here because we are still above this uptrend line, above this demand zone here. Are we US will keep it for next week if not reach the TP? What US oil? Personally, I don't have a US oil trade. Okay. Thank you, Sinan. Okay. One moment, I had to take a look on something. Yeah, so personally I don't have a setup in sorry, mean crude oil is in pending order. Personally I don't have something like this. You will have to wait for updates. If someone else placed or sent so a new trade in US oil, you will have to wait for that trader to come back to you. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yeah, the swing trade was sent on the group. Personally, I'm not sending right now trades on the swing trading group. Personally, I'm sharing also only some videos, maybe also, yeah. I'll share my my webinars link in those groups as well. But yeah, maybe in the future, in the upcoming period, maybe I will send also swing trades as well. Yeah. Anyway, maybe you need open support channels for VIP members. What support channels? We have a support email. You can. This is the only way you can communicate. Yeah, with Learn to Trade. So if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Yeah. Yeah. Email is slowly. Yeah, but unfortunately you cannot contact me directly. Yeah. You cannot contact me directly because there are a lot of scammers out there, and I don't know. This is the thing. You cannot contact me directly. You cannot talk to me directly. Unfortunately, I know. Maybe this is not okay, but yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, because I don't know. In the past, someone created false accounts. Using my name, and no, personally I will not contact you directly. You cannot contact me directly. This is the you can only contact support. This is the thing. Yeah, because if someone with my name will contact you, this is not me. No, personally I will not contact you. Yeah, you need to understand this. If someone will contact you using my name, please report that account, block that person or something, report it, because personally I will not contact you. Okay, so this is the thing right now. And also about support, AB, OB, and personally when I send a trade, I will come back all the time with updates into the VIP group. This is what you need. Okay, yeah, this is because yeah, earlier personally I've managed my position. Earlier I've managed my position in New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, and I've also what USD, no, USD CAD, and I've shared my my management into the VIP group as well. So I believe that, and also when I open a trade, I'm sharing the thought process, the rationale in the VIP group as well. So yeah, maybe you have everything you need. Dean, thank you for all the analysis, man. Yeah, thank you as well. I really hope that maybe I will catch something in US dollar, Canadian dollar. Again, some time takes many days. I think we lost some trades because of technical easy things. What do you mean? Trading is not only about winning trades. Okay, OB. Even if you will have 10 years of experience, you will lose trades. Okay. Well, do you think that if you will have 10 years of experience, you will always identify all these movements and moves? No. Yeah. No. It's very important. Money management, risk management, it's really important. And yeah, you need to have a strategy. You need to have you need to understand the price action, and yeah, and also it doesn't matter if personally I'm using right now Pitchfork or Fibonacci or Smart Money Concept or Williams or I don't know. It doesn't matter. You don't have to use them. Maybe you will be profitable using Elliott Wave or only Fibonacci or only price action or only I don't know. Yeah, candlestick patterns or harmonic patterns or continuation or reversal patterns. I don't know, but personally I'm using a confluence trading strategy. Like what happened today for US 100, it's triggered for some and not for other, and you are said it not your trade. Yeah, it was not my trade. I already told you. Please take a look in the please take a look, guys. It was not my trade. Every time I'll send something in the VIP group. Please take a look here. Here is Learn to Trade VIP group. You will see my name under my trades, under my work. Okay, so that was not my trade. Please take a look here. Okay, you will see my name under my work, Olympio. Okay, this is me, and yeah, I sent this. This was my daily video analysis. My short in my thought process, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. My trade New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So when you will see my name under my trades and my content, yeah, you will you'll know that it was sent by me. Okay, and personally I will come back, and I've told you ABOB, maybe the price was different at your brokerage company. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. It was not my trade. Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, so thank you guys for being here today. Thank you guys for being here, and I will try to some trades not have names. What do you mean? Yeah, in the Learn to Trade Forex group, we have personally you will see my name under my work. Okay, and as I've said, personally I'm not sending trades in the crypto channels. I'm not sending trades in the swing trading groups for now. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys. But you can notice my work. I'm using Pitchfork. I'm using I don't know, a lot of tools. You will notice my charts, my analysis, my videos. Yeah. Thank you, lad. Great analysis. Have great weekend. Sinan, thank you as well. So maybe I will try to catch something here on US dollar, Canadian dollar. In less than 30 minutes, we'll have the ISM Services PMI as high impact event. Thanks, dear. Okay, thank you. So I will try to catch something. A new high probability trade. Yeah, DXY rebounded. Sorry. So maybe gold and silver could drop. I've said earlier today that maybe I would like to see retreats on gold and silver before jumping higher again. Yeah. Thank you guys. Euro USD, I believe that's also yeah. Euro USD dropped, retested this level. Maybe I don't know, I will try to catch something, but don't forget that the economic data could bring sharp movements in both directions, high volatility, and yeah, it's risky to trade during such a high impact event. Maybe we'll have something right after the US economic data. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great weekend, and I will come back with something else later for the VIP group, for the VIP members. Okay, if you are a VIP member, you will get my trades, my management every time, updates when I'll decide to do something with my trade. Yeah, all the time. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.